Hi, I have joined a potted plant and greenery collaboration with the Crafty Women of Color. Please follow all of the other women in the link below. I am a new plant mom, so I made a holder for propagating a plant by attempting to root 2 leaves. The process for propagating a plant is real simple. You put a cutting from a plant into water and wait until it roots, then plant it in dirt. So what you're going to do, you're going to drill holes in the side of the 3/4 inch dowel. So you're going to drill a hole that is 3 inches down from the top and then 6 inches down from the top, because the 1 inch dowel will fit into the opening. You're also going to take a 1/2 inch nail and pound it into the side of the 5.5 inch dowel and then into the 14 inch dowel. You're going to use a 1 inch nail. So the way you do it, you pound the nail into one end and then you take the entire dowel and you're going to pound it into the bottom. But before you do that, you need to pound it into the openings that you have on the side of your 14 inch dowel. So after you've pounded all of the nails, cut off the head of the nail so that you have 2 sharp ends. That way you can pound it into the openings. After you have completed that, you're going to drill 2 openings on the side of the plastic cups, and you want to get them equal. If you have a long enough drill bit, it will go through both sides, but I just marked the 2 openings that I wanted to drill, and I just drill one side and then I turned it over and drill the other side exactly across from the other opening. Then I cut 7 inches of the full ribbon right down the middle, so you have 2 long pieces. So each piece should be 7 inches and you will need 4 of those. Then you fold them in half and puncture the holes near the end, with say 1/8 of the inch from the end. So you thread the brad through the opening and then you're going to thread it through the opening that you made in the cup, and then you spread the brad so that it will hold there. You also can add hot glue . The last thing that you have left is you have the little square cubes, and I took these from Dollar Tree Puzzle. There's light brown and then there's dark brown. So I took the dark brown ones, glued the square cubes to the top and to the 2 sides, and that kind of helped holds the containers. So you're going to fill them a little bit more than halfway with water, and then you're going to add your cuttings of your leaf. It looks fabulous. And I would like to thank the Crafty Women of Color. This was a challenging but fun collaboration for me, being a new plant mom. Continue to watch us. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9Designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.